Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today 18th of August, before going ahead with taking out the levels of 19th of August, that is for tomorrow, let us quickly summarize the levels which we took on Thursday, right? Friday being a holiday, Independence Day holiday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday market was closed, so we took out the levels on Thursday for today, that is Monday. So let us quickly summarize what happened. Let us begin off with Nifty. Nifty 15 minutes. This was the level which we marked. Anything if we opened flat or little bit above, but above this blue line we will go for buy on dips. But today Nifty opened gap up, a good 300 points plus gap up, a good sign, right? I hope you remember this higher highs. So we were planning, we were just seeing, I think so on Tuesday or Wednesday we were seeing that might be on 19th or 20th of August we can see this higher high getting breached if the market remains sideways for at least 2 days, right? But today we opened gap up. There are few reasons that we opened gap up. The meeting between US president and Russian president, so that was the major impact which was I was looking out for. Apart from that, all other things market has already indicated us. The inflation data, you would say, inflation in India is at a very much controllable levels. That is a good sign. Even the employment data which came out today morning, that was also on a positive count. So many factors have made our index, not only index, many stocks have today had given a good run, a good blue chip companies, I would say, not everyone, but yes, IT sector remained calm. So we can see some movements in IT sector once we see US dollar rates getting a little bit stabilized, so that because generally they deal in dollars, so once dollar rates get stabilized, then we can see some movements in IT sector also. Okay, so since Nifty opened up above all my levels which we marked on Thursday, so I did not took any trade in Nifty, right? Nifty, I was, yes, a short trade was planned, but I do not think if today this much upside and short trade put premiums for the buyers, especially put premiums must have given some run. So over here you must have got almost every entries and SLs getting hit, but yes, these two red candles gave a good run, right? So but since we opened straight away above the levels, as per uh, the homework which we do every night, sitting every night we do the homework, so there was no levels for any trades, right? In earlier videos also I used to tell you, whenever we open above the resistance, that becomes the support. Can you see here, we opened above all the resistance, and once it came back again to that topmost resistance level, it acted as a support, right? So this one was the thing. So let us start marking up for levels for tomorrow. Yeah, this will be the highest point. Can you see this? A small, well, I am not making bigger, this is a small supply zone. I am moving just this line. See, this is how you have to make a little bit smart work, right? I'm moving just the lines to the tips, and what I'm seeing it on the charts. Can you see over here some clutter is there since we have opened up a gap up? So a small retracement we can look out for. not a major one. Okay, this will act as a resistance for tomorrow. This will act as a zone, opening zone. What we should do, this will act as a support. All right, so can you see this drop base drop? So the supply zone was taken off, so now supply, it is taking up a support over here. Downline, this will be the last one, and midway we can have this and this. Yeah, let me take out this level. I do not want this. Okay, so let us quickly summarize at what levels what we should do. Tomorrow if we open up below this blue line, it will be a sell on rise. But if we open up above this blue line, wait for the 15-minute candle to form. That 15-minute candle should be green in color, then only you will be able to, after breaking up this resistance with a green candle, you can take small long positions. See, even long positions are not so big because we have a big gap over here, and market tends to fill the gap at least half. That's why this mid red line level, you can see this, right? So Nifty, if we are at, if you open below 24,857, 897, that is 24,900 levels, it will be a sell on rise. Let me check out on a 5-minute chart. Do we have any supply zone formed today? That would be a good sign. No, there are no supply zones. This one was a supply zone, but yes, it got broke, and it, after the second supply zone, it adhered to, it came down. So 24,009, this 24,912 will act as a major role for tomorrow. If we open up above this, you have to take careful steps for going long. If we open up near this, then it will be a sell on rise situation. So once this breaks, you can see downside 24,854. After if you form after breaking up 24,854, we can see 24,776 levels and then 24,708 levels. But tomorrow I can see only 24,776 levels. So market is ultimately supreme. As you can see, today we opened a gap of 300 points. So level to level trading is what is advised every time. So tomorrow sell on rise will be ideal one, but if we open below our major resistance, right? If you are breaking up the resistance, obviously the situation gets changed because the data might be getting changed, money must be getting pumped in or something, all that, FIs must be taking up the positions. Everything counts on the live market. So especially index trading, you should be very much updated with the data which is coming up, changes which is coming up live in the markets. And if you do not know how to take out that data, it is very simple. You have to just trade with levels to levels, adhere to your rules and regulations. Fine. So Nifty, these are the levels, small levels which I am looking out for. Today I would like to discuss majorly on Bank Nifty, because we are holding up some positions in Bank Nifty, hedge positions, right? So as per the hedge position, this 56,142 level was the last level. So anything breaking, I think so, you can see this, where are the levels? Yeah. So and if it breaks above this, the hedge trade which we were having, this one needs to be closed, because you are breaching up the 56,100 call writing, right? Can you see this? 56,100 call has been written, so it will get breached, right? So when we opened a gap up, this trade went into a negative of around I think so, max to max it was 2000 rupees, right? But we had a belief, since the level was not broken, we stayed in the trade, and when it started falling over here, the trade which we took was playing beautifully. Still it is under a stress trade, but obviously profit potential is also a good one. So a decent 10% returns on your investments. Even though we have booked a loss of 2000 rupees earlier, just to safeguard. When Bank Nifty on a daily chart, you can see when we found this big red candle, we took up a small hedge, counter hedge trade, so that if it falls further, we could have we managed our losses with we would have closed it with the minimum losses, right? So Bank Nifty, yes, let me show it on a 5 minutes. You can see where it was, the precision level of the levels which we are marking and discussing out on the videos. You can just check it out. So we opened up a gap up around 700 points, 700 plus points. We moved upside, but we did not cross over the last line, that is 56 142 levels. It started falling from there. From here to here, obviously put premiums moved, I think so, in the money premium moved 30 points, very much in the money, I would say. At the money premium, it hardly moved 10 to 12 points, because call was so much stressed. Call premiums needs to be brought down, not the put premiums needs to be moved up, right? That was the situation, since it was a very big gap up, right? After that, obviously, as you can see, these two red candles, we got this red candle, we got again, we took up a trade again over here, since we closed below our level. Second, we closed below the open of today. I'm not talking about the low of today, open of today, right? So we took up a trade in Bank Nifty over here, got a good at the same levels. Nifty trade was also there, so we got a good movement, target achieved, trade closed, right? Even though, see, the level in Nifty also, I said, when you break the resistance, if it comes back again, it acts as a support. Can you see this? This was the first resistance, which if it breaks, our 56 100 call writing should have take some adjustments or something. That was our situation. But since we opened up directly above at our levels, so the situation got little bit out of control, but it came back again in control. But this acted as a support. See, we are marking up the levels, but the levels which we are marking and the lines which we are putting up have some significance. Why dotted lines? Why green dotted line? Why blue dotted line? Why red dotted line? At the top, we are marking up a red dotted line. Why? Because we are already holding up a trade. For that trade, the stop loss is this. Can you just correlate? So whatever you are marking up the levels, it should correlate with the trades which you are planning to execute, right? Or if you have executed, then you should have that levels in your mind. So this is going to be my stop loss, this is going to be my breach level, this is going to be my adjustments levels, right? So in Bank Nifty, we have moved a great ahead. So let us make up some changes in the levels, right? I'm just pushing it up, not marking it down. I'm just pushing. This level still remains the same, right? Yeah, this will now we will have some little bit of shifts. Okay. Okay, can you see this little shifts? So Bank Nifty, this is 56,000 level should we should not be crossing 56,000 levels at least for next 2 to 3 days. That would be my point, because 56,100 levels, at least I will have some 150 levels of point buffer to make up some adjustments. So this will act as a support. Once this support breaches, okay, let me delete this blue now. I do not need this double blue. Right, 56,000 levels is going to be my resistance. This is going to be my support for tomorrow. If I breach the support and come down, yes, I can look out for immediately this level. Can you see this? Why I'm see markings have some significance. This earlier was a resistance, so now it will take up a support over here. Right, and let me mark another red line. So right, this is going to be my little bit of and this will be the last line for tomorrow. So Bank Nifty, I should open below this blue. If I'm opening above this blue, this will be my first resistance, and if this resistance is broken, then obviously the trade which we are holding this trade, this 56,100 call needs to be adjusted, so that I do not, if it makes a big run, this should not get converted into in the money. If it gets converted into in the money, I should make some adjustments, right? So if I open up flat, this will be my support. Obviously the support is very near, so once it breaks, you can look out for small positions in downside, because already we have filled in 50%. See this distance, this gap distance, 50% is almost over here, right? We just missed by few points, right? So I'm just marking up this. So we have just missed by few points. So not this. If this breaks, then obviously downside we have very few movements. Upside, if we break 56,150, then we can see some big movements in upside. Daily candle doesn't shows any confirmation of movements either upside or downside. Even though we have opened gap up, there is no green, that it is a red candle, not a green candle. So indicating that at this level the sellers are in control. Right. Let us see the open interest. Nifty is neutral, that is 0.88. What about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is 0.72. Right, so 57,000 levels, a huge call writing has been done, and mid level is 56,000. That is where we are stuck up right now, right? 55,700 levels. So till the time we do not cross 56,100, we cannot see any upside movements in Bank Nifty. Once the gaps gets filled, then we can look out for some big movements coming down in Nifty. Fine. So tomorrow there is a Sensex expiry also. Let me save this layout. Minutes. Bank Nifty, save the levels, and Nifty 5 minute, 15 minutes. Let us save the levels. Something I have to learn this one. Fine. So we have saved the Nifty levels also, and we have saved the Bank Nifty levels also. Let me show you some Sensex I was looking out for. Sensex, what we can see tomorrow. Not Sensex 50. Sensex. Right. Sensex, let us mark down some levels where we can see some, since it is an expiry, we are marking up the levels. right? Okay, Sensex, same sell and rise situation is that still we do not breach this black line. So black is at as 81,530 levels. If Sensex doesn't move above this 81,500 levels, we can see a sell on rise situation. If we breach 81,500 levels, yes, it is Sensex, so you can see a big movement towards at least 400 to 500 points upside. That is 81,700 levels, and if we breach 81,700, 81,900 is the level which I'm looking out for Sensex for tomorrow, right? Sensex, Nifty and Bank Nifty, all three are in such a situation that you have to trade only level to level, right? Can you see this? Sellers overtook it. We did not breach the, this is 50 EMA, can you see? 50 EMA is not yet breached. So alignment is 5, 20 and 50 still there. So I'm expecting market to sell on rise is the situation, I would say, right? If you open gap down, yes, you have to take level to level, you have to push to the trades. So these are the Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty levels. We have already shared some equities also. This is not that, this equities, Hero Motoko, we have achieved the targets 1:6. We have achieved the target, so whoever is holding still now, you have to trade. The next target for Hero Motoko is, let me show you. Well, this is the next target, but it doesn't move in a one side anytime, every time, right? So you have to be careful. There will be a little bit retrenchment, how much you want to trail, and that all counts it. Since this is into my portfolio levels, I will be booking, if I retrench till 4,700 levels, then obviously a small booking will be there from my end, not completely. And if I'm booking up some of the profits in other equities, then obviously I will be adding up Hero Motoko and little bit of dips. Okay, got it? So Hero Motoko, we have already achieved 1:6 target. We are looking out for 1:10 target. Got it? Persistent, we are still at our little bit above our entry level, not majorly above our entry, but this red candle has got this has engulfed the 3 days candles. So persistent, you have to trail. Anything above this closing 5,330 levels closing will be a good sign that persistence we can look out for going for long, holding for a long position. But currently we are in a small profits. HCL Tech, we are still at the same levels where we have took entry, 1480 levels. So HCL is still on a hold. HAL, yes, it is still on a hold. HAL, we have breached this SL, but closing was not there. And HL, since it is a defense sector company, I am very bullish on HL. So every dips, you should add HL into your portfolio. That is what I would recommend. Precall also we have a little bit of a movement, not a big movement. So that is BDL is still at an entry level. So BDL also we have not moved. Yes, this was a second tranche of entry. Second tranche has given a little bit of profits, but first tranche is still at the cost. Sagility, also we are a little bit at cost, little bit above cost, I would say. PGL was not recommended, sorry, this is not in the list. Asian Paints, we are almost 70-80 points up above our entry level. IGIL, yes, still near a little bit of below entry level. 340 was 342 is the closing which I am looking out for. So these are the equities which we have recommended and which we have. See, it recommended in the sense, I would say, which we have entered. We are holding it out, and risk and everything you have to manage it on your own, right? Let me show you the. Yeah, this is the Excel sheet. Okay, Excel is not getting open. Yeah, it got open. See. So can you see? So entry level, current market price, SL margin, target, status, what is the status? It all are open right now, right? What are the quantities which we have bought? What is the stop loss per trade which we have planned? How much quantity you should take? Total holdings, around 7 lakhs of holdings is there. I updated one has not got saved, so that's the reason it's not showing. So we have taken some more positions in the equities. So this is what minimum RR we look out for 1:2, and after that we trail, right? What is the percentage is going on? Tomorrow I will share with you the updated one. That would be a better one, right? So this is for tomorrow. Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex levels also. Sensex, there will be huge volatility due to expiry. So trade carefully. Have a profitable day. Enjoy the trading sessions. Thank you.